Welcome back, subscribers, and thank you for getting me to 115 subscribers in just 24 hours. Today I received a package in the mail while we were out for a family function, and it's a device I want to go through with you. So we're going to do our first unboxing on my channel. Again, I want to thank you all for your subscriptions, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming videos and that number continues to grow. Thank you. Okay, so we'll start off with this box. As you can see, it's from Amazon. Amazon and the vendors that are inside this box are not sponsors of this channel. However, it's a new channel, so who would actually have sponsors yet? So, start off. Actually, cut towards your buddy and not your body. So this item was previously purchased for a client and installed. So we'll start off with the first item. This is my third experience with this item. This is a VisionTek Radeon HD 7750 i6 video card. This video card is a full height, single slot card featuring 6 mini DisplayPort interfaces, runs 6 displays from one PC with 6 independent audio channels, 2 GB GDDR5 memory, and 4K UHD resolution. Alright, I read that off the box. So, this item is going to get installed on our production editing machine. This is all new, so there's a lot of new features, cameras, lighting, and stuff that we're experimenting with. But this is going to get installed on our editing machine. Along with that came 6 cable matters. Well, 3 of them will work. 6 cable matters, active mini DisplayPort to 4K HDMI adapters. And these support audio also. Again, it's important with this card to have active adapters and not passive, because you will not be able to get 6 video displays on one card. So, again, look forward to, I'm guessing, our next video. We're going to try to install this, and the computer this is going to get set up on will have 7 displays, 6 37-inch monitors and 1 40-inch TV for displaying customers' menus. It's a demo port. So again, look forward to that. And I also have a client that has this same card. We just installed it this week, and they will have 6 37-inch monitors on a monitor tray, and I'm gonna hope to catch some of the completed product, and I will also display that. So again, this is the end of our small first unboxing, and I hope to have more. But again, like I said at the beginning of the video, I wanted to thank everyone for their subscription, and I hope you guys like this type of video, and I'll keep supplying them. Tell me what you want, and I'll do that. Also, as we get some more subscribers, I'm going to run a couple little competitions where we give out some computer goodies, technology goodies, maybe one for the best name for my YouTube channel, but I will keep you posted. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Push the subscribe button, the like, and ring the bell so you get notified every time that I do a new video.